Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kanzul Iman School. Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 9. English, page number 11 and 13. Math, page number 6. Today we will learn how to write a 4. We will draw a standing line. I am going from the top of the line and then a slipping line. Again we will draw a standing line. 4. Now I am going to write in the classwork. Children, do the same practice in the classwork and also in the homework. What comes after? We had learned 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 1? 2. What comes after 3? 4. Write 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. Thank you.